In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the beneficent. Respected Principal Sir, honorable teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am Fahad Imran from class pre-9. I welcome all of you to attend this session of PTM, which is called Parents Teachers Meeting. Respected Principal Sir, first of all, I would like to explain the meaning of PTM. A day of PTM means that teacher give report of student to their parents. If there is any weakness in the student in any of the subject, that teacher told to their parents to take care of their children more, and if they required additional knowledge or tutor, then provide tuition to them. These type of suggestions are given by teacher to their parents. The marks of a student are also shown to their parents, and teacher praise those students who get higher marks in their class. Respected Principal Sir, the first center of a child where he learns is at his home. A child passes most of his time with their parents and learn from his parents, and the environment provided to him by his parents in home. Parents play a vital role in the education of their child. Whatever the child age is, either he reads in a school or college. If parents pay attention to their children, they make more and more scholastic achievement than those who are ignored. If parents take care of their child, they can improve the education of their children. Respected Principal Sir, for organizing the PTM provide the community of the world with highly educated figure who will be able to participate impressively as effectively in creating a new world enlightened by knowledge, where tolerance overcome ignorance. Respected Principal Sir, in the end, for concluding my speech, I would like to say that as school committed to excellence, we work to develop creative thinking skill, unique innovation and critical think. Above all, PTM is very essential for the student as well as parents who want to achieve success in their practical lives. Thanks a lot.